On my grind, blowing lime 24/7. Engine revving 20.
Alright, everybody. Don't want to get like a nighttime shot. Just to show, just to show what the HIDs do. Y'all saw the car in the daylight when it was clean. Maybe I never uploaded that video, as a matter of fact. Now that I think about it, I'm uploading this one. This is current. So yeah. They warm up. I know it's not the best camera quality, but it is night. But yeah, I've had these Zentecs for a couple years now, for a few years, and these HIDs have been the best to me actually. Like waterproof casing, bulbs lasting, haven't had to replace a bulb, thank God. Just the regular stuff, and as y'all see, the camera light up once I unlock the doors. Same thing with the headlights, all that light up. I did a couple things to it so far, not too much. You see the speaker box amp on the back. Sorry it's dark out, but I wanted to get the video of the headlights and the camera lighting up. Also, when I put the car in reverse, that camera lights up, shows me everything. Gotta hook it up right, but give me a second. I'm gonna do a couple things. Oh, what's goody? Thanks for joining another vlog on car care and more. Tonight, gonna do something a little different. Welcome to my basement. It's not one of those fancy do-it-all basements. This is the laundry room and the storage. And as you can see, peekaboo, other 20-inch tires, brand new. You gotta get these taken off. Then get these style tires put on, the low pros. This is actually a spare, this tire here, but it's so good I didn't wanna throw it away. So this is gonna be a spare. When I find the, what I'm waiting on is the foam for the inside because they're so skinny. But y'all won't believe how much I got these for. Be like, man, you stole them. You stole them. You would flat out assume I stole them. I was a little bit anxious. I gave up though. This is as far as I got this one on. That's how it'll look on there. Somewhat, that's how it'll look on there. That was pretty clean, but this isn't, I'm not gonna do this well in this video. Just gonna show a couple steps on chrome wheel care. This is for like summer months. When you want to keep your chrome looking good, you gotta protect it. These are pretty old. I like them though. So it is what it is. But I'm gonna first wash them, get the contaminants off of them. Then I'm gonna polish them. Then I'm gonna protect them. 3 steps. But I'm just gonna do this one wheel. And everything else is gonna be off camera. But yeah, wheel care 101, classes in session, microfiber. I'm gonna take it to it. Get up in there. Bubbles is good. Bubbles is good. And it like, excuse me for stuttering, if you're in a situation like me where you're waiting to get your wheels on, or you bought some wheels off of Craigslist or offer up, and you have the opportunity to do it before the wheels get on the car, just in case you can't get to that inner barrel, this is one of those situations that you would want to take advantage of, because you can get that inner barrel Easy. And yeah, look at that tread. Flip the wheel over. Shoot, my name should have been YouTubing on a budget. Shout out to that guy, cause his name is Slick. My name should have been YouTubing on a budget, cause I'm on the budget. So, wiped it off. Well, should I say, washed it with the microfiber. Some nice bubbles, won't tell you. Dried it with a microfiber. Got a lot of previous marks on it. Like I said, these are used. I bought these because I liked them when they came out. I still like them, and I could afford them. Live inside your means. Even if you like nice stuff, there's a way to get it. High gloss cleaner and glaze. High gloss cleaner and glaze. And I'm not going to be using the buffer cutting pad. I'm just going to do this with hand motion. You could take it to the extreme if you got a face like that and use a high-speed buffer or whatnot. Or you could just relax like me. Just hit the face up. And I like rims with lips for some reason. I just like the lip. Okay, my rag came unfolded. So I always make sure I hit that lip up. But yeah. Let that haze up. Yeah, we're gonna use the same rag. And we're just gonna give it a nice rub off. If you think the car's gonna look good, drop me a comment at the bottom. But yeah, that was just with the hand. Right. This is gonna be the protectant sealer. I already primed my rag this time. So yeah, you know, if you local and find yourself wanting to get it done and not do it yourself, let me know. If you want to collaborate, you know some people that might know some people, let me know. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments about these going on the Lucerne, aka Magenta. I'm stuck with the name. It matches. It's majestic. I like it. Before this video is over, I also want to give a little tip on chrome upkeep if you don't have the time to sit down and wax your wheels two-step. All right, so here's the scenario. It's 4:35. You just got to your parking lot. It's Friday. It rained a little bit Thursday, but the car's still clean because you took care of it. But the wheels, those chrome wheels are suffering. What do? Do you go to the car wash and run it all the way through? Do you pop your trunk and see what you get? Let's pop the trunk. It's almost happy hour. Let's pop the trunk, see what you got. Boom, you found some window cleaner, paper towels. Perfect. This is a mirror almost, mirror-like surface. You hit that thing with the window cleaner. Make sure you get all of that window cleaner off with the paper towels. Call it a day. And black, I'm gone. Thank you for watching.